Today's episode is quite interesting. I'm going to show you how I light my Jiko, and this is the easiest way that I learned after I asked for recommendation on how to light a Jiko. And one of you shared this simple way, and that's what I've been doing. You'll need some ash and some paraffin, and that will work wonders. I'm also going to be preparing a bean stew or a bean soup, whichever you want to call it. And lately, for the past 3 weeks, entering week 4, I've been eating boiled food. I've not been using any cooking oil, but instead I've been using some broth or some stock. I've also not been using any other seasoning apart from salt. I'm going to be using some chicken stock that I boiled about a week ago, and I'm going to start off by preparing my beans, and I'm going to add all my ingredients all together. I'm going to add in my chicken stock. I'm going to let that cook down for about 30 minutes, and our soup or stew is going to be ready. I'm also going to be serving this with some rice, and I'm going to be using pishori rice as well as some chicken stock. I'm going to be seasoning that with some cumin seeds and some salt. Follow through, subscribe behind, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next one. The food was very tasty, it was very delicious. I would highly recommend you try out this recipe. One couldn't tell that this is boiled food. The chicken broth, that's the thing. You can also use any other broth or stock that you have, and I'm sure it's also going to turn out delicious. The stew was very tasty. The rice too was also aromatic and very delicious as well. Also, let me mention mchele ya jiko who slab different. As you can see, it was single grained, and this is pishori, ile ya kupima, not the branded pishori. As you've seen, you do not always have to use cooking oil to have great food. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, let me know what other food you love to see me prepare using my new appliance, the Jiko. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.